Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Squarespace header smaller. So basically how do you change it in Squarespace? So basically here I'll showing you how. So as you can see right here, we're already in the header layout editor. So it can be found in the upper part of your page editor. To use it, just simply select the header you want to edit, then click edit side header button. So in that window, it'll appear to go to the upper right corner and select the desktop icon to open the header desktop setting. On the next page, you will have the padding section. Change the header height of the vertical padding so it will be adjusted. You can observe the change in the header height from the images presented for each step. So as you can see here, the next one is, so basically to decrease the header height, just click and drag the vertical padding slider to the left to decrease its amount. And if you want to increase the header to the right, just click and drag the slider to the right basically. Then after that, once you're done, all you have to do is go to the upper left corner of the page and click save and then save your button to the changes and you're all done. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.